Is it just me? Am I seeing stuff? Y'all, that look, whew, this looks so good. I look so weird leaning like this. Hey y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by MyQualityHair. They're kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. I'll be doing a neutral glam makeup look as well as my hair to get ready for a photo shoot with Kinky. So I figured why not go ahead and get ready on camera and show you guys my process of getting ready. But before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I'm rolling on a road, I'm 10 feet off the ground, and I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late, too late, too
Okay, so eyebrows are done. You guys know I don't do those on camera, but if you want to see an eyebrow tutorial, I do have one listed on my channel, so you guys can check that out if you want to. The shape and the gradient may change, but the technique is still the same. So first up, we have to do our eyes. I need to wet my sponge. I'm going to use two palettes for that. We're going to use the Chocolates and the Nudes palette by Juvia's Place. These are some of my favorite palettes to use. They're just so pigmented and affordable, so you know, why not? So first up, I need to prep my eyes. I'm going to use my 415 Honey to do that. It's a little bit of concealer, not a lot. A lot of you guys like my makeup looks, and I know I don't always show them, but you know, here we go. And I'm just using the Black Radiant Soft Focus powder to set my eye. I'm definitely going for like the neutral glam look. What does a fox say? Do, 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 do. Why am I singing that song? Okay, now we're gonna use our Chocolates palette. I'm gonna use a mixture of these two colors right here because I don't want the crease to be super dark. And see how it kind of muted that out a little bit? That's what I want. Kind of excited about this photo shoot because we haven't done one in a while. If you guys don't know, Kinky does do photography on the side. I mean, he's like the king of all trades. That's what I call him. He does woodwork, he does photography, he's in the military, he's an officer, like he just does everything. And now that I'm thinking about it, as I'm sitting here blending this makeup in, I really want to do a Q&A. I haven't done one in a while, so let's go ahead and do one of those. I'll put the post in the community tab, so go ahead and head over there and drop your questions over there. It can be YouTube related, it can be personal, relationship, whatever. What's the brush that I want? Where's the brush that I want? Smaller brush. I'm going to use this darker brown shade over here. Pack that in there. Put that into my crease and out on the outside. Make that V, bring that down and connect it. When I say I have gotten so much better at makeup, if you go back and watch some of my first makeup videos, woo, I mean, for that time, it was okay because I was learning. But I will say I've got a lot better. I literally learned from YouTube. I watch actual makeup gurus do their makeup and I learned techniques from them. Two people that I watch faithfully that does makeup are Nizzy, aka Nizzy's Playhouse, and Lace by Jazz. They both do bomb makeup. I love how their makeup looks. I'm not there, okay? I am not there. I know my strengths. Definitely check those two out. They are, y'all, bomb. You will not leave their channel disappointed, and you also may get some products out of it because Lace by Jazz is always recommending different products, whether that's makeup or makeup tools, and I'm always buying up something. Definitely check them both out. I will put their channels down below so you can do that. Now I'm going to go on with my 410 Almond, another product that Lace by Jazz recommended. I'm just going to blend this out and make me a little cut crease action. It's not like super cut crease, like I'm not going in like heavy with the line and make sure it's all neat. I don't do all that. That's what Nizzy and Jazz are for, okay? I'm gonna follow the actual line of my eyeball and just blend this all out. Go back in with this middle shade right here, put that all over the lid. See how that color kind of stands out a little bit more because you use that concealer? That's what that's for. I'm gonna use a little bit of that mixture again and blend out these edges up here. Keep on blending until you get rid of that line. I need to take a little bit of my darker color, put that on the outside like that, and take that first brush and just blend that out. And then I'm gonna take this middle shade on the nudes palette and just put that on top. So that is pretty much it for the eye right now. You'll see it kind of come together when we do the lashes and the rest of the face. You guys know I love my CoverGirl, so that's what I use for my foundation. Using another brush that Jazz recommended. Blend that all over. Babe, can you come wet my sponge? Okay, and then I'm gonna use my L'Oreal concealer in 415 Honey again. I feel like the concealer is where all the magic happens. I love to see all the hard work come together, and that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Then we're gonna use our Juvia's Place foundation stick. This is in the shade Tunisia. Put that on. Then we're just gonna blend all that in. This is the Real Technique Expert Face Brush. It's the massage for me. Y'all see what I'm talking? See how that face starts to come together? It starts to get the look. And while I'm doing this, the concealer is drying down. I feel like I get more coverage when I allow the concealer to dry down a little bit. So that's why I don't rush this part, because I gotta wait for it to dry anyway. Yeah, my chin kind of disappeared in there. Okay. Use my Real Technique setting brush. And we're gonna use that to blend in our concealer. That concealer just melts into the skin, y'all. As got the right one, she got the right one. And I'm not doing any under eye color or makeup, so I wanna make sure my concealer goes all the way up under my eye. Oh, not in my eye, not in my eye. I really do have something in my eye. Goodness gracious. Okay, just make sure this is all blended. Pop out that contour a little bit. Go back in with my contour brush, make sure that's all blended the way that I want. Then I'm gonna take my foundation brush yet again and just go over the areas where those lines connect, because I don't want to have any type of harsh lines on my face. Use that on my nose as well. Now we're gonna go in with our setting powder here, using a damp sponge. Another Real Technique product. This is the sponge. I'm just pressing it in, we're not setting it. Then I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty banana powder. Just a little bit of this stuff, y'all. Don't, like I told y'all before, don't use a lot of this. It will, ooh, the flashback will be atrocious with this. That was a little bit too much on my nose. See? Talking too much, messing myself up. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of my Black Radiance contour shade. Not a lot of this, because you don't want it to be super heavy on your nose, not for the look that I'm going for. I'm going to blend my nose in with my brow. Let me take some of this powder off my nose. Pop my nose out a little bit. Bring this little trick over here, kind of give me like a pointier nose. You see what I'm saying? And then once you blend it, it won't look as harsh. I'm just gonna go in and start patting and blending and patting and blending. Ooh, my stomach is growling. And keep on patting and blending, y'all. How we looking? How we looking? I'm gonna use my Soothing Facial Mist by Garnier Skin Active. This is the rose water. It's not really a setting spray, but it does help, you know, melt the makeup and make it more of like a skin type of finish. And then I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lasting Mix setting spray. This is an actual setting spray. Okay, just to finish her off to make sure my makeup is set, okay? I'm gonna use a little bit of our contour powder just on the cheeks here. And to finish off this makeup look, we're gonna do a little bit of our highlight. This is our Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight Crown of my Canopy. Pop some of that right there. Y'all see how that little dip in my nose makes it look like my nose is kind of pointed upwards? That's what that's for, okay? That's why I do that. And then we're gonna use one of my new favorites. This is the Cardi Galore Champagne Gloss. I think she came out really pretty, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think? Now let's go ahead and do some hair real quick. Okay, so the wig we're gonna be using today, like I said in the beginning, is from MyQualityHair. It is a Afro Kinky Curly Headband Wig. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $85. Now, depending on your specs, the price can go up. So you can choose the color of your unit. So a natural color, a 1B or a 1. You can also choose your density, 130, 150, or 180. You can choose your length, so 8 to 24 inches. And you can also choose your cap size, so small or medium. For my specs, I got the 16 inches, 150% density, as well as the medium cap size. This is how that unit is looking now that I have her all dried and twisted out. Y'all, when I say this hair texture is amazing, it is so easy to work with, okay? It is so easy to work with. The quality of this unit based on the price point is amazing. You don't have to spend a lot to get a wig like this, and like I said, the starting price for this unit is $85. So if you want to get the 8-inch and kind of wear that kinky curly afro look or whatever, you can still get it, do a twist out on it, stretch that hair out, and be good to go. Now, we'll say this is not like a 4C kinky texture. I would say like a 3C 4A curl texture. Let's go ahead and pop her on our head, okay? We're gonna pop her on the back like that, and then we're gonna bring the headband wig down and clip it under the band like that. Okay, twist outs are kind of giving me a look. Y'all see that? Okay, they did send me some headbands and they look big too. So they know my head big. So they sent me a white one and a black one. So that's how those look. The little crisscross joints. Okay, this is giving me the little bandana look. So that's cute. She a cute little look with the little twist in her hair. And I don't want to pull the curls out. Well, I don't want to pull the twist out. I just kind of want to unravel them and kind of let them do their own thing. I don't want to burst them out. Y'all, that looks so good. That looks so good, y'all. Okay, I had to turn my light on just to make sure you guys can see, because it did get a little dark in here just because it's cloudy outside, so I want to make sure you guys can see me. So I'm just using some of my even edge control on my edges here just to make sure they are good to go. Y'all, do y'all see that curl pattern? Do y'all see how good that looks? Is it just me? Am I saying stuff? Y'all, that looks so good, y'all. That looks so good. And again, this is 16 inches on me. Obviously at a kinky curly texture, it will shrink. So I did go in, as you saw in the put down, and kind of stretch it a little bit before I did my twist. You can also pull this up into a ponytail. Nothing crazy. Pulled it up into a ponytail. None of my hair is out. My chair is a little hot, so let me scoot down a little bit. With the twist out and stretching the hair, it just gave the hair a lot more body. I don't mind a tighter curl, but for the look that I wanted it to kind of be big and wild, to like, you know, give it like a puff look. This looks so good. I look so weird leaning like this. But I feel like it looks really good. The makeup looks good. Like, it just looks really, really good, y'all. I really like how this came out. And y'all, a comfy look is not complete without the comfy sweatshirt. So this is a little combo that I got from Walmart. Yes, in the men's section. I love getting these little sweatpants combos because they do something to me. They give me a little look without having to do too much, you know, put too much effort in it. You don't got to blend no lace down. You don't got to do a whole bunch of, you know, pluck and all that kind of stuff. It is a simple throw on and go type of unit, and I'm here for it, especially when it comes to the kinky curly texture. My light is back off again because I didn't want to. I felt like I was giving like an overcast. So we're gonna find out when I edit this video. So definitely shout out to MyQualityHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. All the specs as well as the direct link for my unit will be listed down below, so you guys can check it out if you want to. Don't forget to use that coupon code so you can save yourself some coin on your unit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.